Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social media. Today's video is my bookshelf tour Delhi edition. I have done 2 bookshelf tours before. One of them was posted like 2 years back. I'll link them down below. And you can watch that video if you want to compare how many books I have acquired after starting my booktube journey. And the second one is my current bookshelf tour, which is in my hometown Bathinda in Punjab. And this one is my bookshelf tour Delhi edition. Basically, these are the books I have at the place where I live, and some of them are already in my house because every time I go there, I check out all the books that I have read and put them on my shelf. These are the ones which I'm going to show you, which I have over here and possibly haven't read. This video is going to be in a format where I'll just show you the books and I would not go into the details. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Wasted in Engineering by Prabhu Swaminathan. This is my second copy of the book. Rise of Sivagami by Anand Neelakantan, which is the book 1 in the Bahubali series. The Great Indian Obsession by Aditya Iyer. Don't Believe in God Till You Experience Him by Mukul Kumar. The Woman in Cabin 10 by Ruth Ware. The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. First Book by Kiruba Shankar. Once Upon a Genie by Durya Kapasi. Percy Jackson and the Battle of Labyrinth by Rick Riordan. Khullam Khulla by Rishi Kapoor. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Corsana by Charles Wellington, which is the first book in the Phalanx Syndicate series. The Hollow by Agatha Christie, or Agatha Christie as a lot of people say. A Dog's Purpose by W. Bruce Cameron. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Vertical Living by Vidyangi. Bars by Anuja Chauhan. Last 2 books in the Twilight series. I already have the first 2 books in my previous bookshelf tour. The ABC Murders by Agatha Christie. 3 books by Dan Brown, which is this Deception Point, Digital Fortress and Angel and Demons. I also have the Vinci Code, which is in my old bookshelf too. Second and third book in the Millennium Trilogy. I do have the first one as well, which is in my old bookshelf too once again. The Time Traveler's Wife by Audrey Niffenegger. I hope that I pronounced that right. I tried not to. The Host by Stephenie Meyer. The Complete Shopaholic series by Sophie Kinsella. The Murder of Roger Ackroyd by Agatha Christie. I do have 2 copies of this book. This is a book about Arunachal Pradesh and people and arts and adornments in India's eastern Himalayas by Peter Van Ham. An Unsuitable Boy by Karan Johar and Poonam Saxena. Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. The Mahabharat Quest by Christopher C. Doyle. Inside a Hustler's Brain by Jitendra Vaswani. Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh. Songs of Mist by Shashi. Tantra by Adi. Half Pants, Full Pants by Anand Suspi. The Edge of Everything by Jeff Giles. The Book Thief by Marcus Zuzak. The Greatest Salesman in the World by Og Mandino. Scion of Ikshvaku by Amish. Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. The Stone Cutter by Camilla Lackberg. Last book in the Percy Jackson series, that is Percy Jackson and the Last Olympian by Rick Riordan. Rebel Without a Crew by Robert Rodriguez. Ek Gade Ki Atmakatha by, I don't know which author, Krishna Chandar. One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat. House of Cards by Sudha Murthy. A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. If You Could See Me Now by Cecilia Ahern. Don't Lose Out Workout by Rujuta Divekar. FAQs on Marketing by Philip Kotler. The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. The Whistler by John Grisham. Punk Sunk Love by Dhirendra Tiwari. Prescription Treating India's Soul by Abhijit Naskar. Anne of Green Gables by L.M. Montgomery. I do not know how to pronounce this. Half Girlfriend by Chetan Bhagat. Marry Me Stranger by Navaneel Chakrabarti. You Are My Best Wife by Ajay K. Pandey. First book in the Infernal Devices series. I do have the complete Infernal Devices and Model Instruments series in my last bookshelf too. The Elephant Paradigm by Gurcharan Das. The Bankster by Ravi Subramaniam. Fourth book in the Model Instrument series. Women and Weight Loss Tamasha by Rujuta Divekar. This is an audio book. Great Negotiation Skills by Bob Etherington. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. I think all of my books are dusty. The Krishna Key by Ashwin Sanghi. Do Peg Ke Baad by Nikita Lalwani. Promise Me a Million Times by Keshav Anil. It Doesn't Hurt to Be Nice by Amisha Sethi. Gilded Cage by V.I.C. James. 21 Things Every Girl Should Know by Sneha Mehta. Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. I have like 10 books of Robin Sharma and this is book 4 of that set. I Still Think About You by Arpit Vagheria. The Mahabharat Secret by Christopher C. Doyle. Emma and Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. The Monsoon Murders by Karan Parmanan. First Things First by Stephen R. Covey. The Lady is made by Dilly Coat. The Complete Divergent series, one book is missing over here. The first book, it is in my last bookshelf too. The Shadow Lines by Amitav Ghosh. Neuro Sutra by Abhijit Naskar. World's Best/Worst Boyfriend by Durjoy Datta. 50 Shades Freed, which is the third book in the 50 Shades trilogy. I already have the first two books in my last bookshelf too. And the last book is The Marketing Gurus, edited by Chris Murray. It's a collection of a lot of marketing knowledge from different sources. Yes guys, this was my bookshelf tour, the Delhi edition. If you want to know which are the books I already have on my other bookshelf, go and check it out. I'll put the link of that tour over here or also in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope if you enjoyed watching it, do check my Instagram to find out how this whole pile looks when it is out of the box. I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.